Everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm doing this hand. I'm not going to film me building my nails back up. I mean, this is my natural nails here. I cut them down last time and look how much they've grown again. This is using only Madam Glam's building a bottle. Which colour is it that I use? It is called Builder Sheer Pink. So this is the one I've been using and it's make my nails grow. But I'm not going to film that. I started to put my base coat on before I realised I was going to film something. So I'm not sure what I'm doing today. I haven't got a clue. But I'm sure by the time I finish building my nails and thinking about things, I'll be ready to film. So I'll think about what I'm going to do, get everything out that I need, and I'll be right back. So I'm using Madam Glam's pudding gels instead of gel polish because it's my natural nails and there isn't a great deal of length to them. The pudding gels are really thin, but they're so pigmented. So I thought it would add a lot less bulk than using gel polish, and it worked out really well. So to clean the gel brush, I'm just putting a wee bit base coat on my palette, and you just draw the brush through and keep wiping it and drawing it through until it's clean and it's clear, whatever colour polish. You'll see the difference in colour as the brush gets cleaner, and that way you're leaving a wee bit base gel in your brush and it's going to keep it in shape and it's going to keep it for drying out, and it'll be perfect for the next time you go to use it. And it's time to put back in some moisture, because especially this finger has just been filed to Falkirk. There we go. What do you think? I love them. I don't use the cat eye gels enough, and every time I do, I'm totally in love with the effect. You know, I could sit and just watch how it moves. So I don't use them enough. So I'll maybe do a wee series with cat eye. We would do sets just focused around the cat eye gels. I don't know, because I've got a few of them. I've got 3D, I've got 5D, I've got 9D, and I don't even know what the bloody difference is, but however. So, yeah, that's maybe needing a wee file down here, but I'll fix that later, before photos. This one, it's not as bulky as what you would think. I mean, I know there's a few layers on here, but it's not actually that bulky, you know, compared to the rest of my nails. It's got a wee bit bulk, obviously, because there's glitter on it, and then there's base coat, and then a top coat. So, but yeah, I love them. So thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think of these. Oh, these wee decals, by the way, are available at Charlie's Nail Art. Well, that's where I got them from. I don't know if she still has them. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.